Let us place all the components on our PCB, starting with the 555 timer IC. The timer IC has 8 pins. Now for our project, 2 timer ICs required, and place second timer IC, leaving some space between 2 timer ICs. According to circuit diagram, connect first terminal of the first IC to the ground. Connect 4 and 8 terminals, and 8th terminal is connected to positive terminal. Almost power supply connections over for the first timer IC. Terminal 1 is connected to ground, terminal 4 and 8 are connected, 8 is connected to positive terminal. Connect 6 and second terminals, 6 and 8 terminals. Now you place a 1 microfarad capacitor between second and ground terminal. While placing electrolyte capacitor, identify positive and negative terminals. And this electrolyte capacitor has polarity. Very easy to identify negative and positive. The long length terminal is positive and short length terminal is negative. Now place electrolyte capacitor between second and ground terminal. The negative is connected to ground, positive terminal of the electrolyte capacitor is connected to second terminal. One megaohm resistor, connect 1 megaohm resistor to third pin. The color code, based on color code, we can calculate resistor value. Now you place 1 megaohm resistor at pin number 3 and pin number 2. Place 1 megaohm resistor between pin number 2 and pin number 3. Now one end of the 100 ohm resistor is connected to third terminal, and the other end of the 100 ohm resistor is connected to base of the BC547 transistor. While inserting components, use your circuit diagram. The base of the BC547 from left to right, collector, base, emitter. BC547 NPN transistor, connect 100 ohm resistor to the base of the BC547 transistor. The emitter of the transistor BC547 transistor is, now let us connect a collector. The collector terminal is connected to positive terminal using 100 ohm resistor. Collector is connected to positive terminal. Emitter of the transistor, from emitter, according to circuit diagram, emitter is connected to LED's positive terminal. Now insert red LED, and this emitter of the transistor is connected to positive terminal of the LED. Now insert the second LED and third LEDs such that all positive terminals of the all LEDs are connected, and all positive terminals connected to negative terminal of the BC547 transistor. All negative terminals are connected, and that negative terminal is connected to third terminal of the second timer IC. Positive terminals connected to emitter of the BC547 transistor, and negative terminals, all negative terminals are connected, and they are connected to third terminal of the second timer IC. Power supply connections for the second timer IC: connect first terminal to the ground, connect 4 and 8. 8 is connected to positive terminal. Now power supply connection is over for the second timer IC. Now 2 and 6 are connected. Second terminal is connected to sixth terminal. Now you place 0.1 microfarad capacitor between second and ground. It has no polarity. 0.1 microfarad capacitor R104 PF. Now place 1 megaohm resistor between 2 and 3 terminals as first 555 timer IC. Insert 100 ohm resistor. One end of the 100 ohm resistor is connected to third terminal. The other terminal of the 100 ohm resistor is connected to base of the BC547 transistor. Insert BC547. Connect the connector of the BC547 transistor to the positive terminal using 100 ohm resistor. Emitter of the BC547 is connected to blue LED's positive terminal. Now insert blue LEDs. Positive terminal of the blue LEDs connected to emitter terminal of the second transistor. Insert second blue LED, third blue LED. All positive terminals of the blue LEDs connected to emitter terminal of the second transistor. Connect all negative terminals of the blue LED to the third pin of the first 555 timer IC. Circuit connections completed. Now connect battery positive terminal to the positive terminal, battery negative terminal to the negative terminal of the circuit. Now watch the result. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, visit my channel.